In this time I will show you how to make Snood scarf made of honeycomb stitch pattern. This simple project presented here as a master pattern is the perfect starting point for knitting in the row. Choose the desired circumference of your cowl, make gauge swatch to determine your custom number, and away you go. The length of the Snood scarf 130 centimeters. The width is 26 centimeters. Let's get started knitting. For work you need a ball of yarn, knitting circle needles, scissors and measuring tape, and needle. Begin the work. Cast on 46 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue till you will get 46 stitches. Begin the first row. This is the right side. Slip the first 8 stitch purlwise. Knit 1 and yarn over. Slide the next stitch purlwise. Knit 1, yarn over, slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 1, yarn over and slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 1, yarn over, slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 1, yarn over, slip the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this row. Knit 1, yarn over, slip the next stitch purlwise and purl the last 8 stitch. Row 1 is completed. Row 2. This is the wrong side. Slip the first 8 stitch purlwise. Knit next stitch with yarn over together. Yarn over. Slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 2 together. Yarn over and slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 2 together. Yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together. Yarn over and slip the next stitch purlwise. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this row. Knit the next stitch with yarn over together, yarn over and slip the next stitch purlwise and pull the last 8 stitch. Row 2 is completed. Turn the work. Row 3. This is the right side. Slip the first 8 stitch purlwise. Knit the next stitch. Slip the next stitch purlwise. Knit 2, 1 and 2, slip the next stitch, knit 2, and 2 and slip the next stitch. Knit 2, 1 and 2, slip the next stitch. Knit 2, 1, 2, slip the next stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this row. Knit 2, 1 and 2, slip the next stitch. Knit the next stitch and pull the last edge stitch. Row 3 is made. Turn the work. This is the wrong side. Slip the first edge stitch purlwise, yarn over, slip the next stitch. This is the stitch and yarn over. Knit 2 together, yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together, yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together, yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together, yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this row together. Yarn over, slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together and pull the next stitch. Row 4 is made. Turn the work. This is the row 5. Slip the first edge stitch purlwise. Knit 2. Slip the next stitch. Knit 2, 1, 2 and slip, yarn over. Knit 2 and slip, yarn over. Knit 2 and slip the yarn over. Knit 2 and slip, yarn over. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete row 5. Knit 2, slip the next stitch purlwise and pull the next one. Row 5 is made. We have done 5 rows. The first row is preparation row. Pattern repeat from the 2nd to the 5th row. So 6th row work as the 2nd one, the 7th as the 3rd one, and so on. Begin the row 6, slip the first edge stitch purlwise, knit next stitch with yarn over. Yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together. Yarn over and slip the next stitch. Knit 2 together, yarn over and slip the next stitch. Pattern repeat from the 2nd to the 5th row. You should make as many rows as you need. I continue the work. As you can see, the length of the Snood scarf 130 centimeters. This is the half of the Snood. The width is 26 centimeters. I will bind off and connect two sides together. I am about to complete this work. Bind off the stitches as usually need. Insert the right needle into the 3 stitches and knit 3 together. And slip back, work and stitch. Then knit 2 together. And slip back, work and stitch. Like this. Continue working in this way till you will get 1 loop on the main needle. I have just done a row of bind off. To complete the work, I am going to sew 2 pieces together. I will work with front side of the Snood scarf. I have the long piece of the thread. With the needle go through the stitch of the first side. Then with the needle go through the stitch on the opposite side. With the needle go through the stitch on the first side. Turn the work. With the needle go through the stitches. I will work with this direction. On the opposite side I will work in the same way. With the needle go through the stitch. With the needle go through the stitch. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. With the needle go through the stitch. Let's look at work. Here how it looks, and this is back side. The snood is completed. This is front side. This is back side. In this time, you have learned how to make a beautiful Snood scarf made of honeycomb stitch pattern. You can wear as the cowl or as a scarf. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharonknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week. Only at sharonknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharonknitting.com. Thanks for watching.